What if I told you that the biggest danger during a blackout isn't the darkness? It's not the cold. It's not running out of food. It's the mistake most people make within the first 60 seconds. And the scary part? Almost everyone thinks they're doing the right thing. I've seen it happen over and over again. The lights go out. Everything suddenly goes silent. Your heart beats a little faster. You grab your phone, you look around, maybe you walk to the window, and then your brain starts racing. How long is this going to last? Is it just my house? What if this gets worse? That's the moment that matters. Because the first mistake most people make during a blackout isn't a lack of supplies. It's panic disguised as action. And that's where things start going wrong. Now, when I say panic, I don't mean people running around screaming. Most panic looks normal. People start opening the refrigerator every few minutes. They turn lights on and off to see if power returns. They call multiple family members. They wander around the house looking for things they should have already known the location of. It feels productive, but it isn't. Let me be clear. The first few minutes of a blackout are usually your best opportunity to get control of the situation. Nothing has really happened yet. Your food is still cold. Your phone battery is full. Your freezer is holding temperature. Your emergency supplies are still untouched. But every bad decision after that starts eating away at those advantages. I once talked to a family that opened their refrigerator so many times during a long outage that they ended up throwing away a large amount of food. Not because the blackout lasted forever, because they couldn't stop checking. Sounds silly, right? But when people get nervous, they do things without realizing it. Most people don't realize that survival isn't about moving fast. It's about thinking clearly. The second the power goes out, stop. Seriously, stop for 30 seconds. Don't rush. Don't start guessing. Don't assume it's a quick outage. Take a breath and gather information. Look outside. Do neighboring houses have power? Can you see streetlights? Check official outage reports while your phone battery is still valuable. Then start planning for the possibility that this could last much longer than expected. Because here's something I've learned. The people who struggle most during emergencies are usually the ones who spend the first hour acting like the emergency will be over in 10 minutes. The people who do well are the ones who quietly prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. Use flashlights instead of candles whenever possible. Keep refrigerator and freezer doors closed. Conserve your phone battery. Find your backup light sources early, not after the house is completely dark. And most importantly, keep your mind under control. Fear is contagious. If one person starts panicking, everyone around them feels it. But calm works the same way. When one person stays focused, other people usually follow. And that's why the first mistake during a blackout is so dangerous. It's not opening the fridge. It's not wasting battery. It's not forgetting where your flashlight is. Those are just symptoms. The real mistake is losing control of your thinking. Because once panic takes over, small mistakes turn into bigger ones. So the next time the lights suddenly go out, remember this. Don't make your first move immediately. Make your first move carefully. The darkness isn't what causes most problems. Bad decisions made in the dark do. And the person who stays calm in those first few minutes will almost always have the biggest advantage when everyone else starts struggling.